In as little as 30 minutes a day, you can become a new you. It's easy. This new you steps out of your comfort zone and into a world of success. Your life works. You become more prosperous. The new you is a healthy you. You quit smoking. You never give up your goals. Your body is fitter. Your mind is clearer. In as little as 30 minutes a day, you can become the new you. Just download the NuYu app, put on the NuYu Bluetooth visor, choose one of 90 free programs and press play. Close your eyes and relax. You will experience synchronized light and sound that creates a heightened state of awareness. This makes it easier to focus your mind and be receptive to new ideas and positive suggestions. NuYu technology was developed by some of the best minds in science and psychology. Our founders have over 25 years of experience in light and sound technology. Each NuYu system comes with the NuYu visor, custom earbuds, and a 60-day money-back guarantee. You control your mind and body. When you change how you think, your life changes. The NuYu technology has helped thousands of people achieve life-changing results.
Everyone's got to try these. These will change your life.
I'm in control of my eating.
I've changed how I think.
I've never felt more motivated in my life.
Now I just do what I need to do and I get the job done.
The time is now to be your best you. It's easy. Get your NuYu on Kickstarter right now and start seeing results. Become the new you today.